Here we have 67 Mustang Fastback. We're gonna build it for SEMA 2019. I mean, this car's it's a basket case basically. We're gonna resto mod it all out, make it look real nice. If you want, you can come here, look at. If you could come closer here and video over here inside the motor. Also the interior. That way we'll show people how bad this car really is. It looks good in video, but it's a bad looking car. So guys, stay tuned on the build for 2019 SEMA. We're gonna be adding videos and pictures throughout the build. And we're gonna be pulling out the motor probably in about next 20 minutes.